We're going to have a look at a couple of simple investment examples here. So Holly invests $15,000 in a fixed term deposit that pays 4.25% compounded monthly. So how much will her investment be worth after 5 years, and how much interest has been generated? So two parts to the question. As you know, we've got all the different variables here: N, I, P, V, P, M, T, F, V, P, Y, and C, Y. N is the number of payment periods in total. I is the interest rate. We don't need to convert that. Present value is what we start with. PMT is how many payments we're making. Future value, FE, what's it worth in the future. PY, how many payments per year, and CY, how many compounds per year. So let's go and have a look at this one. So she's paying 4.25%. Present value. At the moment she has $15,000. She's going to put it into the bank. So we say that she has negative $15,000 on her. When she gets it back, we'd expect that to be a positive number. There's no payments. Future value is what we're trying to find. PY, how many payments are there per year? Well, PY and CY are both equal in these examples. So it's compounded monthly. So PY and CY are both 12. And N, it's for 5 years by 12. So we then come over and we pop that into our calculator using the TVM function. So time, value, money. And we're in the second option, compound interest. So here we have our screen. So 60, we've got 4.25. I encourage you to work through this at the same time. Negative, make sure you're using the negative number rather than the minus sign. Future value is what we're finding, so we leave that as 0, and 12 and 12. You'll see that PY will automatically change CY when you do something like this. Now we're trying to solve for future value, so we press F5 for future value. And in the future, it's going to be worth $18,544.53. How much interest has been generated? Well, we know that she's putting in, we know that she started with $15,000, so it's going to be 18,544.53 subtract 15,000, and that will give you the amount of interest you've earned. Alright, one more example. Calculate the amount you would need to invest now in order to accumulate $25,000 in 5 years' time. Okay, so what we're trying to find is what do we need to put in at present. So 5 years' time, and it's compounding monthly. Our interest rate is 4.5. Our payments is nothing. Future value, well, we want to get back $25,000 because we're receiving it. It's going to be positive. And here we have 12 and 12. We come over, we pop those into our calculator. So 5 by 12 is still 60. 4.5. Present value is what we're trying to find. I always like to set it to 0. PMT is still 0. Future value is 25. 1, 2, 3. PY and CY are both 12. So then we solve for PV and we find that I need to put $19,971.31. So that's how much I have to put in. We don't put the negative sign there because it's still dealing with money. We just know we have to put that in. Good luck.